Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my English class. Okay, today we will learn about Unit 1 school time. And our lesson for today, the article a or an. Okay, so we will go to study about how do we use a and how do we use an. Okay, let's start with the article a. So we use a if the word or singular noun start with a consonant sound. And there are 21 consonant sounds in English that we will use with article a that you see. Okay, let's take a look together. So there are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, these consonants we use with the article a. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, so this about the article an. Article an, we use an if the word or singular noun start with a vowel sound. Okay, so how many vowel sounds in English do you know? Okay, so you see there are 5 vowel sounds. There are A, E, I, O, and U, and we will use these vowels with the article an. Okay, for example, okay, you will see. Okay, the article a, we will use a with, okay, so this word, this vocabulary is classroom, right? So we use a classroom because classroom start with C, right? That I have told you before that the article a will use with the word start with the consonant sound. Okay, so the next one. Okay, and with apple and apple because apple start with a. Okay, so now you know, right? Okay, so let's go to the next step together. Okay, for this step is about the exercise, and I will let you guess first about each exercise that I prepare for you. Don't forget, we use a start with consonant sound, and we use an start with the vowel sounds. Okay, the first word. If you check something on the left side, above on the left side, you will see something because I get you a hint. Okay, pen for a pen, right? A pen, because pen start with P, and P is the consonant sound. Okay, let's move to the next word. Okay, try. Okay, so let's check your answer. It's a book. Yes, right, because B-O-O-K, book, right? This word book start with B. Okay, let's move on to the next word. Okay, this word is ruler. So will you use a or an? Okay, let's check the answer. A ruler, because ruler starts with R, right? Okay, very good. Okay, let's move on to the next word. Okay, this word, pencil case. Will you use a or an? A pencil case. Because pencil start with P. Yes, very good. Okay, next word. Vase. vase, vase. Will you use a or an? Okay, let's check the answer together. A vase, a vase. Yes, very good. Okay, let's move on to the next word. Okay, we move to this word. Okay, egg, egg. We'll use a or an. An egg. Okay, can you give me the reason why? And because eggs start with E, which is a vowel sound. Yes, very good. Okay, let's move on to the next word. Ice cream cone, ice cream cone. Okay, let's check the answer. Will you choose A or N? Okay. It's an ice cream cone, ice cream cone, an ice cream cone. Because ice start with I, which is a vowel sound, and you have to use with an, article an. Okay, let's move on to the next word. Orange, orange. Will you use A or N? You have to use an orange. Yes, that's right. Okay, because orange start with O, and O is the vowel sound. And the last word for this lesson, umbrella. Umbrella. Will you use a umbrella or an umbrella? Okay, let's check the answer together. An umbrella. Yes, very good. Okay, good job. Okay. Excellent, everyone. Okay, and this is all about the article a and an. And now I hope that you will can separate between how to use a or how to use an with the noun. Okay, and I have okay, I have something for you. Okay, for the worksheet, and I will share the link to you, and please do the worksheet and send back to me, and I will check your worksheet. Okay, this is all I have for you today. I miss you, and I hope that we will see each other again very, very soon. Goodbye, class.